Today I'm going to be showing and helping you draw the X-ray effect you see all over the internet. So first, get your sketch down. In this tutorial, I'm going to be drawing the main character from the Hollow Knight video game. After you get your sketch down, color it in like normal. Now preferably you have a big black marker, but if you don't, you're just fine. It just takes a little longer. So with your marker, just add some lines over the piece. You can do this however you want, but here's a few ways I've done it. Free of the majority of the lines, fix them up and make them look nicer. The last step is just going over where your lines used to be with white. And it should look something like this.